Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create an Instagram business account. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen on your Instagram. And once you're over here, you want to click on the 3 line at the top right of your screen on your Instagram. From here, you want to click on settings, and from inside settings, scroll a bit down and click on versus preferences. From inside preferences, scroll a bit down and click on switch to professional account. Once you do this, click on continue, continue, continue. Click and continue again. Now over here, you want to choose what kind of things you do. So I'm like an entrepreneur for an example, so I will choose this and click on done. Once I do that, it'll take me to the next step. Over here, you want to choose business because that's the account we want to create. So we want to click on next, and basically our business account will be created. So right now I don't want to add anything, so I will just click on next and basically done. So I can click on skip and I will cross this, and boom, we have done it. We have created an Instagram business account. That's how simple it is to do this. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.